guys, this is Succulent Garden in California. Yeah, my dad started this, so it just kind of goes crazy. Just super beautiful. But the reason that I don't really work on my garden is because my best friend lives over there, and this is just ridiculous. I'm gonna show you her garden, and yeah, she's my best friend, so if I say something mean, I don't really mean it like mean. So yeah, it starts over there, like with her succulents, and then you can actually smell her garden from my house. This is insane. This is pure insanity. This is why I don't really plant flowers, because like, oh my gosh, look at this. She is so talented and so loving, and she puts so much work into this, and you always see her out here doing this. But trying to do it slow so that it's not annoying video and it's really calming. But just look at all of these beautiful things. And you can literally smell this from my house, so there's like really never any need for me to go out of my way to plant anything, because this is all here. It's so beautiful. It's just like, wow. I think actually she probably has one of the most gorgeous gardens that I have ever seen in my entire life. So beautiful. It just goes and goes and goes and goes. And so if that's not enough for you, it just keeps going. It just doesn't stop. She's so talented. Look at this one. There's the things. Very powerful, very talented human being, for sure. And you just come over here if you ever need a break. You see that right there? So if I ever need flowers, I just come over here and pick them.